This is a response to Dr. John Campbell's video of the 11th of June 2022, which he entitled Lab Leak Latest Report. And it's a video regarding the possible lab origins of SAGO-WHO, the virus that causes COVID-19. The link is given in the description below. Dr. Campbell, a retired nurse with a PhD in a teaching-related subject, has misunderstood the meaning of the SAGO World Health Organization report and consequently misled his followers into believing that the SARS-CoV-2 virus was deliberately made in a Wuhan lab. In particular, Dr. Campbell has misunderstood the report's separate statements that 1. There is about 96% similarity between SARS-CoV-2 and its known nearest relatives. 2. That the nearest known relatives to SARS-CoV-2 could not be the progenitors of SARS-CoV-2. And 3. That because of the 96% similarity, the most likely origin of the SARS-CoV-2 was zoonotic. Dr. Campbell seems to think that these statements mean that the World Health Organization are concluding that since there is a 96% similarity between SARS-CoV-2 to known wild viruses, this also means that SARS-CoV-2 must also be from nature and not deliberately made in the lab. He claims that the similarity is not enough to come to this conclusion. But this is a misunderstanding by Dr. Campbell and fails to take into account other interpretations of the data. Dr. Campbell has not understood the crucial point that a closer match, say 99.9% similarity, would actually be some indication that the virus was indeed deliberately made. It is exactly because the match is only 96% that the conclusion can be made that SARS-CoV-2 was not the result of gain-of-function studies. I'll attempt to explain and hope you see where Dr. Campbell has gone wrong in his assessment. Gain-of-function experiments are performed on known viruses, usually an animal virus that does not infect human cells. The parent virus is changed slightly to confer the ability of the virus to infect human cells. If the changed virus is able to infect and kill human cells, this would be an indication that the parent animal virus could also change in nature and thus potentially become pathogenic in humans. This is why gain-of-function research is carried out. It could help predict which types of pathogenic virus may emerge in the future, allowing drugs and vaccines to be produced in advance to deal quickly with such emerging variants. The point is, and Dr. Campbell seems to fail to understand this, is that the gain-of-function virus is essentially identical to its parent virus, that is, over 99.9% identical. None of the known coronaviruses so far discovered have anywhere near this level of similarity. This is why the World Health Organization have concluded that SARS-CoV-2 could not have been the result of studies, gain-of-function studies performed in the Wuhan lab. This does not preclude an accidental laboratory origin, but given what is known about past events concerning new viruses, zoonosis in nature remains by far the most likely source of SARS-CoV-2. Thank you for your attention.